Alexa, turn on the Lampe.
So my wife isn't home. Time to make a Christmas gift.
Wait, why am I whispering? My wife is grocery shopping and the kids are at play school. Ha! As this is going to be a gift for my beloved oppressor, I'm only using the most unique wood species. Old table, old chair and rotten fence. First I'm slicing and flattening a piece of rotten fence with a combination of planer, table saw, bandsaw and hand plane. Next, an Xbox controller is shaped on the bandsaw and fine-tuned on the disc sander. For the sake of not having to spend time with my wife or kids, I'm adding an optional step by breaking it apart. Several times. After that, old table and old chair are made around on the fast spinning thing. Last thing to do is drill some holes, die, assemble with glue and screws and make some high quality video editing magic happen. As seen in my last video, some materials for our upstairs remodel arrived, so I've been throwing some OSB and sheetrock on the walls. This hall won't get a ceiling, so I've got to work around all the trusses, which takes time. So that's it for 2019, see you in 2020. Dann gucken wir mal hier, erst Verlina hier rüber, zack. Ah. Und dann kommt Jonna oder hier hoch. Und dann könnt ihr mit mir sagen, so.
Happy Holidays! Happy Holidays!